guys, Gold Bullion Treasures here. Oop, I forgot my light. I don't even have the hat light on, even though I got the hat on either. It pops in and out of the hat. So I wasn't even gonna do a video, but then I changed my mind. Where did I put that light at? There it is. Here's that light. It charges by USB port right there. That comes off. Gotta put this on somehow. I don't know how it snaps in. Ooh. Okay. Get my light from up here. So yeah, I've had a rough day here at work. This last night here. I had to have a girl run on my tail because my boyfriend decided and his family decided to come through my line, even though I told them they couldn't. I couldn't ring them up, and they just kept coming. And you can't refuse people to ring them up, so I had somebody else ring them up. And then my till came up short $20, and I didn't accuse anybody of stealing it. I just thought maybe she might have handed back too much money. I called my boyfriend and asked him to check with his family to see if maybe she accidentally gave them back too much money. And then on top of it, I had gotten a pickup from somebody, and I accidentally stuck that in with my 20s. Well, guess what? Look at that copper. My 20 that I was missing turned out to be in with that pickup that I accidentally stuck in with my 20s, and I just dropped my copper. Yeah, I got this plastic bag. I can't figure out where I put my other bag at. I'm sure it's in the back of the car somewhere buried. So she had gotten wind by looking in the office at the paperwork, because I always notate everything, that I was short the money, that I had somebody run on my till. Did never write down that she stole anything or anything. I just said that my till was short. So anyhow, I found the money in a deposit pickup. But before that, she chewed me out, threatened me and stuff, saying that she's going to have somebody come and take care of me, or take care of me herself, and then she said she couldn't because she was pregnant. And so, needless to say, she was cussing me out. I dialed the manager, store manager, while she was cussing me out and stuff in front of customers and everything. And unfortunately, because of that, she's going to lose her job tomorrow. So that's on her. I mean, I told her over and over again, and she kept telling me to shut up and cursing. I told her I never accused her of stealing. I just wrote it down that I had her run under my till because I had, my boyfriend there, and I couldn't ring him up, So I couldn't be accused of, sliding merchandise or anything to them, or giving them special discounts or nothing, I had to have somebody else ring them up. So it's just sad that she went off the deep end for no reason. I figured the money would show up eventually, and I had a feeling that it was in the deposit, that I did check the deposit, but it turned out there was two 20s stuck together, and so I kept counting a certain number when there was actually another certain number. At the end of the night, I weighed it all in the Cash Master machine, which actually declared that it was an extra $20 over. And I'm like, voila, there's my $20 I was missing. So it's really sad. I need y'all to lift her up in prayers first, because she's going to need another job. And lift me up in prayers on the hedge of protection around me. Keep her family or friends or whoever she was going to get to do her bodily harm give me a hedge of protection from them. Oh, how cute is that? Look at that. A white rose hairpin. I'll put that in the Goodwill thing, I think, if it don't get messed up, at least. Alrighty then. So, ooh, that is that one. Yeah, we just need prayers all around. I feel sad for her, you know, going off, but it was embarrassing to have her do that. But I had to have, like, at least a phone witness, because if I told my manager that she cussed me out, all the other girls there were going to say, no, she didn't, you know. But I had him on the call while she was cussing me out, so he heard every word she said, just about it, except for before I could look up his number real quick and dial him. I speed dialed him. I did what I had to do. Try to cover myself, man. It's just really sad that it came to that, because I had a feeling it would show up by the end of the night, but I just like to make notations of everything. I mean, even when other people run on other people's tills, or if they run underneath somebody else's number by accident, I write it all down. Every bit of it. I was like, okay, this person showed up short when they actually wasn't short, because they, like a penny, they ran underneath somebody else's number because somebody clocked in or clocked out and didn't sign off. Stuff happens all the time, you know. And I actually thought that might have been what happened, that maybe she signed off my number being on my till and clocked in on her own number, but that didn't happen. So, stuff happens, you know, accidents happen. But it don't give you the right to go off the deep end and accuse and threaten people because of some mistake, you know. And I never, like I said, I never ever accused her of stealing or anything. And she said I was accusing her of stealing, and I wasn't. So, whew, my heart is heavy for this, you know. It hurts my heart thinking about this. So, yeah. Maybe she'll learn a life lesson this way. It's a hard way to learn it, but still. She threatened my job and everything. So, look, some food for the kitty. The kitty's hungry. Before we go feed the kitty, though, let's finish looking through this mess. Ooh, that stinks. It smells like vomit in here. Ah, oop, somebody had a garage sale and they put their phone number on there, for crying out loud. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, what was that old glass bottle? Yeah, that's life. But let's, I guess that was it. Nothing else in there. Let's go give this food to the kitty. Hold on. Oh, I gotta hold my walking stick underneath my armpit. Look at that gum. It'll be black before you know it. Just like those were. And those other two. Let's go feed Sebastian. Haven't seen the kitty lately, so I hope he's okay. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. She was like, she was gonna make me wish I quit my job or else get me fired. So I feel so sad for her now about the whole situation. There was office notes for office personnel only, and she is not office personnel. Let's see here. I'm trying to pick up these little street sweeper bristles as I go. I got a plastic bag, as you see, because I forgot to. I couldn't find it. It's in my car. I know it's in my car. I just couldn't find it. Let me check on this trash can over here when I get back from over here. Alright. Like I said, wait a minute, that's the wrong tree. want to go by that tree. I'm gonna go by this other tree. So, well, guys, if I wind up hurt or dead, you guys don't know why, because somebody went off the deep end. But let's hope it don't come to that. Alright, we're gonna stick this here for the kitty. We'll stick it on the back side so other people don't see it as easily. Sebastian, I brought you some what looks like beef stew. Hopefully it's not spicy, baby. I don't know. Gotta have the trash for you, so you don't gotta climb in the trash can. Alright, let's see here. I thought I saw a bristle, and I did. Alright, I gotta hurry up because I'm sure my mom's probably worried about me because I called her real quick. And like I said, I did call my boyfriend and ask him because it was him and his family that got rung up for 3 transactions. You know, one for him, one for his brother, and one for his nephew. And they all paid in cash. Ooh. Hold on. Gotta get the bristle while I see it. So, yeah. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, this is what it is. It's saying anyhow. One more. Goodness, I'm gonna get my exercise in tonight, ain't I? So, okay. Alright, I'm almost done. So far, I'm still at my mom's stepdad's. I'm trying to let it die out again. What is that? Oops, there goes my light. Oh, I didn't even turn it on. Oop, there it goes. What is that? A balloon. It's a balloon. My hand's so frozen, I can't even feel it. Alright, let's get this to that. Ooh, what's in here is full. Hopefully it's chicken for the kitty. It is full, y'all. Ooh, what is it? What is it? Oh, I don't know. He might want some of that. Alright, we'll go take it to the kitty, man. Alright, I'm going to leave my walking stuff there because this is kind of heavy. I'll just dump this on the ground. Kitty's got a variety tonight. Alright. Wee. Alright, I'll put the rest of this food stuff here on the ground. What is that? Ew, it looks nasty. The kitty might want it. Macaroni and tomato sauce, and who knows what that other stuff is. Alright, kitty, you got a smorgasbord tonight. Your choice, what you want to eat or not eat. Ooh, look at there. I missed a bristle earlier somehow. Cool. It was meant for me to come back. Alright, let's see. Did I miss any more? All depends on where you walk and how you hold the light, y'all. You could be passing up a diamond or something. Just never know. Okay. Hey, there's one right there. Got it. So yeah. Alright, let's see here. What else may potentially be in here before we stick that nasty thing back in here? Looking for canned goods. What is that? Oh, another dinner. Ew, okay, I think I took enough dinner for the kitty. Ew. Somebody's hat. Somebody might need a hat. We'll just stick that out here on the edge for somebody. Somebody might need a hat. I'm gonna be glad for that hat. Alright, y'all. I am not seeing any other canned goods, so we're good. Throw that back in there. Leaving the hat out for somebody else. I'm taking the can that I found. The one single can. Alright, y'all. Yeah, somebody might get it. Maybe. Maybe, yeah, ooh, it's got a hole in it. Well, somebody still might want it. Let's see. You might want back up in the trash, you never know. But some homeless person might come by tonight after I'm gone. Do his own little foraging for food or something. And I say, hey, I got me a cap now. Yeah, it might have a hole in it, but it's still useful. Alright. Oh, missed the bag. Come on. Come on. There, now it's in there. How pretty that is. It's just plastic, though. Don't need it. The other night, I was pulling up and I thought I found a penny. It turned out to be a dime over here. So I didn't have my light with me. I couldn't check it out to see if there was anything else here, but I'm not seeing anything. But I'll look again since I'm out of my car. Why not? Why not? Yep, see nothing. See nothing. What is this? A stick? Yeah, that's a stick, y'all. It's not like the scavenger stick, that's for sure. Certain. Yeah, I don't see nothing. I think this is a piece of glass over here. And I don't see whatever it was. I'm pretty sure it was a piece of glass or plastic or something. Something that's no good. Ooh, State Farm card. There's nothing. 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 Alright, y'all, heading back to my car after I pick up this bristle. I tell you, it's just the angles you're on, whether you see them or not. Alright. Oh, mercy. Alright. Things will work out for the best, y'all. That's all it is. Things will work out for the best. It may not seem that way, but it will. Oh, mercy. Okay. Okay. Well, got a little bag of pines. One more street bristle, it looks like. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Glad it got me some cans again. Haven't really been picking up too many, just one or two here or there, maybe 3. Not really digging in the trash cans lately, except for tonight. For the cans. I gotta make it to my storage unit and finish cleaning out my car because it's all full of boxes right now. Because I thought I was going to have to move. So I just got to get this cleared out so that I can put like all one kind of metal in my car, you know, and drive over to scale and get weighed and stuff. I don't want to get rid of stuff that is important to me or semi-important to me for another load, you know what I mean? Different kind of metal load is what I mean. So yeah, somewhere in all this mess, there it is right there. See it? Voila. I knew it was here someplace. I knew it. There's a car coming in. I'm hoping that's not one of her friends. Family. I'm gonna stick this right here. And take it off. Thank you. They're going to the laundromat. Thank you, God. Thank you. But things might change as of tomorrow. I don't know. But at least I'm off for the next 2 days. Let's see what the temperature is, y'all. Hey. Did you see it? I don't know. I'm going to dip down the phone camera. Ugh. I forgot to turn my headlamp on. Oh well, guess I didn't need it. put it on and forgot to use it. Huh. Alright, that says 43 and so does that one. And it's 12:28 a.m. It's now officially Tuesday, so happy Tuesday, everybody. Thank you for watching Gold Bullion Treasures. Don't forget to smash that like button. Share with your family, friends, and co-workers and strangers. Leave a comment. I shall comment back as soon as possible. Subscribe for more, and don't forget, ring that notification bell. Bye-bye. Hey guys, y'all ready for one more hurrah, hurrah, hurrah. Alright, there's a fan down yonder here. Taking this, so planning only on cutting the cord off. There's a car coming. I'm parked at the whatever you call this plant, the like tower, cell phone tower place. Alright, putting my thing in my pocket, grabbing my stuff. No, I don't have my gloves on. I don't. Alright. Okay, should I take a bag? Of course I should, so I'll take one out of my lunch bag here. Got a bag. Alright, let's hope this is good enough. Alright, let's turn on my headlight lamp too. Boom. Now I'm like, decked out. Yeah. Got that on. I'm ready to rock and roll this joint. Alright, it's no joint. It's just a road, y'all. Ends up being kind of weird out, you know. Still weirded out from earlier. Alright, this will probably be a second video. Oh man, I hate to walk up the long road. I couldn't find a closer parking hole to my liking. And with cars coming, it's just hard to tell where a good spot is to pick up. Okay, so got our bag, got our camera, got our walking staff. Wait, my glove is right here. That's right, I forgot. Oh, darn. Uneven pavement, man. What is that? It goes, ouch, that. Some kind of weird plastic thing. Huh, let's stick it in the bag. Seems like I needed something like that for something, but I can't remember what, but I'll take it for now. Let me get back in my car real quick. I'm trying now. I remember where I put my glove at. It's right here. Right? Here. Get it. Okay, y'all. I know I really want the whole fan, but I ain't got room for it in my car, so I'm just gonna have to take the cord if nobody else took it already. Alright, hopefully no coyotes or any other wild animal gets me, y'all. Let's head off down the road on the side of the road. Maybe I'll get lucky and find some cans. I did find cans here last time. This is where I came last time to get the umbrellas, the red umbrellas. Alright, y'all, this is a dangerous area. I don't hear any cars coming, and it's hard to walk in that wet grass, so I'm gonna walk on the edge of the road here. I'm on a hill. That's why I gotta listen to cars. Y'all, there's a can here. A piece of one anyhow, shredded up by a lawnmower. Got grass all in it, but that's okay. I take it. Alright, let's keep on rolling down the highway. Doing things my way. Yeah. Okay, oh look. There's a house down there. That's the house. I like it all lit up. The driveway. It got hit by a vehicle of some kind. I don't know what kind. But yeah, it did. Hey, that truck is gone. There was a red truck there. A dog hears me. A dog hears me, y'all. That's a driveway, kinda. Ooh, God, it sounds big. Ah, no, that's somebody's driveway. Sorry, puppy. Good job. Sorry I disturbed you. Alright, see, I got this long walk, man. Oh, look, y'all, the Christmas decorations over here. I've been wanting to show y'all that, but I thought I would never stop for it, but there you go. Ain't much, it's all white lights. It's pretty. Oh my goodness, how far down is this? Is this like a ditch there? A shallow ditch? Nope, nothing. Cigarette butt. Alright, I'm gonna keep on going. So far, no more cars have shown up. Yeah, there was a truck over here, see? Right here, it was like right here. In the ditch. And it didn't look like nothing was wrong with it, just looked like they pulled off the road and decided to stay. Alright, there is a car coming now. I'm almost to the location. I guess I can go ahead and walk down here now that I'm closer to my destination. Oh no, here's where the truck was at. You can see the tire marks. It's been sitting there so long, it put dents in the thing. Yeah. Yeah, there's a car coming. I'm just walking in this shallow ditch here, y'all. Oh, there's a can here. I'll get it real quick. RC Cola. Oh, I hope my bag makes it back to the car. Oh, look, there's some more tire marks there. Oh, man. Yeah, it's too steep of a drop-off from my car to come off. Look at that drop-off there, like a 6-inch drop-off. I mean, I probably could do it. What is that, y'all? Is it copper? I can't tell. Looks like just a hose, and that's plastic. Oh, Lord, look what happened there, y'all. Man, that's messed up. The fan is all tore apart, so... Oh, but the cord is there. Let's go get the cord, y'all. Oh, shoot. Hey, look at there. Look at that. Some Romex, right? Is that what you call that? Romex. Take it. Oh, my goodness. Time to pull that booger up. Heck yeah, man. Oh, man, that dog is still barking at me. Well, it is what it is, y'all. Okay. Get out my cutters. And hopefully I don't lose my schedule. Nope. Okay. Man, this fan has seen better days too. Right? Hey, part of it's metal. I guess I'll take that piece in. But this part is plastic. That's kind of weird, isn't it? What is this? Has this got copper in it too? No, it's just a hose. Let's see here. We'll look at both ends. Nope, it's empty, y'all. Alright, I don't know how much I can get of this. I don't know if that'll pull out of there or not, but I'm gonna try. I'm about to fall over. Oh, of course it don't want to pull out. What is holding that bugger in there anyhow? A screw? I did not bring my screwdriver. Alright, so I'm gonna have to trim it here. That didn't even cut. Huh. Okay, dog. That dog is chomping at the bit here. Alright, I don't know if I can pull it out this way a little bit or not. No. Alright, I'm trying, doggy. Trying. Okay, cut off one side, now back to the other side again. It's hard to pass up copper wire, y'all. Ouch. It's like not wanting to come out, y'all. Got it. Ooh, look how pretty. Pretty. Alright, I got a lot of it. That's it. shall. I don't think this will fit in my bag. I'll have to hold it. Alright. Okay, y'all. Here's what we're gonna leave you with. Man, I really don't want to leave that behind, but I have to. Alright, y'all. If I don't fall down, please handle your life with care, because life is fragile. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, I am back. Who am I kidding? I can't leave the motor behind. I didn't have to take that with me. So I didn't leave, because I figured it out. Got the motor after all. And now, I am going to be motoring, walking down the highway. Ugh. Okay. Let's do this. I am set. Ready to go. Oof. Ah, golly, my knee almost gave out on me. Too bad my knee stabilizers failed me. Ah, it would have been nice if this stayed. Okay. Yeah, I turned you off, and I thought, what the heck, I'll get the motor and I'll show you. But I didn't show you me taking it all apart. Almost fell down several times, which would have been hilarious. That dog is still barking at me. Oh, look at the pretty picture. Can you see it? The bushes are decorated like Christmas trees, wrapped up in white stuff. Okay, so there's something over here crossing that line, y'all. I wanted to see what that was. Probably just a plastic bag. Oh, somebody's, what is that? A cocoa butter. I don't need that. Nope, I don't need it at all. Alright, let's see here. I don't know, but I'm going to cross back over just in case I missed hearing a vehicle. Could be on the other side of the road, I believe. Dog is still barking at me. Yep. Stranger in the area. Stranger in the area. Masters, wake up. Masters, wake up. Stranger in the area. Stranger in the area. Alright. I still got this 2 ceiling fans to take apart. Maybe I'll get to work on that later today, since it's Tuesday already. Don't feel like doing it right now. But I'd like to be able to set it up on my workbench at the storage unit. Get you guys to watch that. I hear a noise. I don't hear a car yet. Is this light on? I can't tell. Oh Lord. Viciousness, man. I can't tell if my head lamp light is on or not. I don't know. I guess we'll find out when I get back to the car. I'm almost there. I think I hear a car coming, y'all. Up from behind me. My car is right over here. You can't see it except for the hubcap there. Alright, we're making it. Here it comes up over the hill. Might get see it here in just a moment. There it is, y'all. And there it goes. Alright, yeah, score. I feel so much happier when I do this, y'all. Oh, and my head is not on. Okay, there it goes. It's on now. See the little dots in there? Now it's on. Huh. I think the cold might have made it dampen it a little bit for working. Alright, we got the motor. We'll just put it right here with these other motors. You can't tell a thing, can ya? Nope. This wire thing underneath that, maybe. Like so. Oops. Then I just gotta shut the door to keep it all in there. Nothing or not. Alright, we'll stick it over here. Sticking it over there instead. Alright, and now I gotta hurry and shut the door. Boom! Can you see it? Nope, not at all. Alright, you can see the wire a little bit, I admit it. But other than that, hey! Nope, thought I left my cutters behind, but I didn't. Alright, y'all, it's time to jump in the car and head on home to my OAK corral. I'm just going to stick my walking staff in through this way. Voila. And we're in. Now, let's see what the temperature is now that we're back in the car. No, totally, my light died on my head. Huh. It must not have been charged very much. I'm going to have to charge it when I get home. Alright, y'all. Off with the glove. Off with the glove. Alright. And off with this extra. Oh, God, hold on. Ooh. Okay, so there we go. Alright. So apparently when you get your hat with the LED light in it, it lights up really bright. But it died already. You can't see a thing. It should be on right now. It is off. Off. Dead. But I gotta charge it already. Oh well, such is life, y'all. Such is life. Oh, where's my keys at? In my pocket still? Yep, in my pocket still. Let's see. Let's see what the temperature is, y'all. Oh man, my car. Get this thing cranking. I got my seatbelt on. There's my ignition. Start her up. Ugh. Here we go. Almost missed it. Space traveling and beyond. Alright, well, that was my windshield wiper instead of my blinker. Alright, it is 42 and 41. I think it said 43 earlier. Now it's between 41 and 42. 41 and a half? Who knows? But thanks again, guys, for watching. Gold Bullion Treasures. Don't forget, smash the like button. Share with your family, friends, co-workers, and strangers. Leave a comment, and I shall comment back as soon as possible. And if I don't see your comment, it means it might got put in the spam folder. And I got to jump on my laptop for that. And I hardly ever get on my laptop. But I'll check it out, y'all. I'll check it out. Eventually. Might take me a month or two. But we'll do it. Okay? Subscribe for more. Don't forget, ring that notification bell. Bye!